Berlin to attend an International Actuarial Science Convention. Now you may well be asking, why is a technology company interested in actuarial science? Well, actuarial science is the science of insurance, and I'll explain it to you now. So life insurance is good for the world. Make sure people stay in school, make sure dependents don't fall into poverty, make sure that when people get sick that they've got something to provide for them, make sure that funeral expenses are covered. Right, so we think it's good for the world. So what we have to do is bring down the acquisition cost. It means we have to make it easier to sell life insurance. This is critical if we want to get more people buying. Now, the ways to do this are really using a more digital process, but to get people to actually make that purchase decision online is very, very difficult. So the second thing that we have to do is make sure that life insurance creates a bit more trust in customers. Not so much of a transactional relationship. So what needs to happen here is we need to create a bit more of a community around this life insurance product. Like in the old days when we used to have mutual companies, like that. But using digital platforms, we can explore new ways of creating communities around life insurance. Think of how they've done this in the short-term insurance industry. Think of Lemonade and how they've created a community around their product. I'm going to put a link in the description for Lemonade. The third thing we have to do is make sure that our processes are a lot slicker. We have to make sure the payments are dead easy, the claims payments processes are dead easy and completely automated. Now this is particularly important for the developing world where amounts and life insurance amounts and premiums might be lower. So we need to make sure that we automate those processes so that we can fit into those smaller premiums.